a young man came to Jesus and was asking him which is the greatest law, commandment of the law. So what is the greatest commandment of the law? And Jesus answered him in Matthew 22 and in verse 37. He said, thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thy heart, with all thy might, and with all thy strength. So God is saying, this is the primary law, the primary commandment, the foundational commandment. Thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thy heart, with all thy might, with all thy strength. So your love for God must be total. Your passion for the kingdom must be complete if you want to enjoy God's interventions in your life. Listen very carefully. God is looking for kingdom lovers so he can bless them. Are you going to join that team today?